Meaning of haunted.
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 Haunted. The word haunted typically refers to a place or object being visited or occupied by a ghost or spirits. The haunting may be characterized by unexplained noises, apparitions, or other paranormal activity. People who believe in ghosts may feel a sense of fear or unease when they encounter a haunted place. Some haunted locations have become popular tourist attractions due to their reputation as spooky destinations. In popular culture, stories of haunted houses and ghostly encounters are often used as the basis for horror movies and other scary media.